Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Confido Landbase, your go-to destination to all things real estate, whether it's about choosing a luxury property or staying updated to latest market trends. You have come to the right place. This is your host Shrey Vermani with over 14 years of experience in Gurgaon's real estate. So today we are presenting a very important project on Dwarka Expressway. I get a little too excited जब expressway से related किसी launch या किसी एक अहम प्रोजेक्ट की बात हो रही होती है तो दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ourselves as well as our viewers. It's an opportunity as a company for us also कि ये important projects को timely we are being able to showcase over here, and it's an opportunity for our viewers to probably invest in these majestic projects. आज ये कंपनी है साहब, we all are familiar with the brand. It's Puri Constructions. Yes, a company so sound financially, the style statements they have created, the right organized path that they follow in choosing the right land parcels, delivering the quality and the post maintenance. The company has over 4 decades of experience. It's a majestic name in Delhi and NCR. गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पे साहब जब हम नए आए और रियल एस्टेट को समझ रहे थे जो वन अमंग दोस फर्स्ट लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट्स जो मैंने देखा था पर्सनली, दैट्स द पाम स्प्रिंग्स ऑन गोल्फ कोर्स रोड बाय पुरी कंस्ट्रक्शंस. आज अगर हम गोल्फ कोर्स रोड के टॉप 5 और 6 प्रोजेक्ट्स को अगर हम निकालते हैं, सो दिस इज वन अमंग द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वंस सिटिंग एट अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लोकेशन ओवर देयर एट डीएलएफ फेज 5 बैंग ऑन गोल्फ कोर्स रोड. It's a beautiful project wherein they have a combination of high rises and villas. ये आज भी गुड़गांव के सबसे important projects में से है, the Palm Springs. The company delivered one of their majestic projects on Dwarka Expressway. Expressway के जितने buyers हैं सबको पता है एक सबसे important project दिल्ली के beginning में ही सेक्टर 111 में आता है. That's Puri Diplomatic Greens. हम जानते हैं सब. Company has set a benchmark by delivering all of their projects on time. It's an important brand. Puri Diplomatic Greens, the Palm Springs Golf Course Road, Puri Emerald Bay, Sector 104 Dwarka Expressway. Yet another masterpiece sitting on Dwarka Expressway. Anand Villas at Faridabad. The most prestigious project of Faridabad is Anand Villas. And they have a lot of more developments under their umbrella. So आज ये साहब आप गेस कर ही चुके होंगे, we are talking about their new launch at sector 111 on Dwarka Expressway, which is Puri Diplomatic Residences. सबसे पहला क्राइटेरिया हमारी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट लोकेशन, और उस लोकेशन के बिल्कुल एक क्राउन की तरह जो सेक्टर्स यहाँ पर सजते हैं उनमें सेक्टर 111 is at the Delhi border. Diplomatic residences, diplomatic greens, they are inspired from diplomatic living. You're minutes away from the airport, you're at the Delhi border, you're hardly any distance from diplomatic enclave being set up in Delhi. साहब ये वो लोकेशन है almost everyone is crazy about right now. I mean आज अच्छे यूनिट्स हमें द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पे चाहिए, and you obviously while taking these decisions are very concerned about strong brands who have performed strongly in the past. So Puri Constructions is one of the important names and we are very excited and we congratulate the company. एक बहुत ही शानदार प्रोजेक्ट इन्होंने यहाँ पर Puri Diplomatic Greens के साथ Puri Diplomatic Residences अनाउंस करा है. I mean that entire section where these projects are located have Puri projects on all the sides. So that's totally controlled by Puri Constructions, this region at sector 111. ये प्रोजेक्ट साहब एक 6 एकड़ का एक लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें आपके 6 टावर्स बनाए जाएंगे. Already the construction is in super full swing. We invite our families to come and visit and witness what Gurgaon's real estate market has become, how exceptionally builders are committed for their constructions and being able to deliver the projects on time. In these 6 acres, the developer is constructing 6 towers, जिसमें you will have a varied range of 3 BHK apartments. So that would include 3 BHK with study, 3 BHK with servant room. The sizes are like 20 to 180 square feet. That's the starting size. The next one is 2380, 2380 square feet. और तीसरा साइज है हमारा 2440 स्क्वायर फीट। ये 3 सिलेक्शंस हमें मिलती हैं। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द लेआउट्स आर सिमिलर इन वन वे और द अदर, सेम डिजाइन पैटर्न पे। दे हैव एडेड सर्वेंट रूम और अ स्टडी रूम. So these are exceptionally good layouts. The efficiency, the master bedroom sizes, the drawing room sizes. Project में इन्होंने layouts बनाने में they have actually excelled. The layouts are really amazing. Then they have their fourth option, which is their 4 BHK. That's a block which has only 2 units on a floor. So these units are very exclusive. There are only 64 units available of this particular size 4 BHK. That's 3,475 स्क्वायर फीट, 3475 स्क्वायर फीट. सो दिल्ली के नजदीक जिन भी फैमिलीज को एक अच्छे इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करना है एट अ वेरी इफेक्टिव कॉस्टिंग एंड विद इन्वेस्टर फ्रेंडली पेमेंट प्लान्स, हम आपको कुछ ऐसे पेमेंट प्लान्स ऑफर कर पाएंगे wherein you'll be surprised and you'll be able to calculate your investment returns right on the day of the booking because of the payment plans. Builder is financially extremely sound and they are not very dependent on the money coming from the sale proceeds of this particular project. They are motivated to reach on time. Milestone पे वो पहुंचेंगे टाइम से, आपकी पेमेंट्स उन milestones पे linked है, and you can expect good money coming up for in this particular project because A, it's from Puri Constructions, B, it's a luxury project, C, it is at a very important location, sector 111 Dwarka Expressway. Saab Clubhouse, it's an exceptional feature what they have delivered already. Yes, the company plans to showcase the entire idea of that lifestyle that they are offering. They have included the most world-renowned consultants in order to design the project, which actually becomes a statement in years to come. Then they have RCorp is their architectural partner. Then they have Design Cell as their design consultants. That's a company behind Mumbai Airport, Bangalore International Airport, Select City Walks Arcade. These are those majestic companies which are behind the shaping up of this particular project, Puri Diplomatic Residences. साहब बहुत बढ़िया पेमेंट प्लान है. मुझे पता है आप सब लोग एक अच्छी डील ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो उसमें पूरी डिप्लोमेटिक रेजिडेंसेस को हमारे साथ स्टडी करिए. हम चलते हैं, जरा साइट आपको दिखाते हैं कि कैसे द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे हैज बिकम super important area wherein it's giving tough competition to other developed and majestic locations in the city. Let's not wait. Let's share this detail among our families and friends wherein we are concerned कि सबको अच्छी deals, अच्छे prices पर मिले. Also, we are more than excited to answer all your queries that you may have related to your investments and the region. Our team of expert advisors would take you through an exceptional journey of selecting a suitable property matching your requirement. Our numbers are displayed on the screens all throughout the video. Please dial the numbers and we'll be able to answer to all your queries. Thank you. This is Shrivar Mani signing off. Thanks a lot.